Our hands are integral, whether you're a musician or a new parent or someone who's retired, a golfer, it doesn't matter. Everyone needs their hands, and it's just critical to have them function as well as we can. It's not necessarily just, oh, my fingers are numb, but the problem with that is I can't hold my nail gun, or I get concerned when I pick up my grandchild. I don't want to drop them because my fingers are so numb, or I'm breaking coffee cups, whatever it is. Let's discuss it all and then find out what we can do to help you out. My name is Dr. Laura Bonneau. I am a board-certified plastic and hand surgeon, and I work for Providence. My specialty within plastic surgery is reconstructive surgery, and then I did a year of fellowship in hand and wrist training. What I do on a daily basis does not save lives, but it significantly impacts lives, and ideally in a very positive way. Hopefully, either by releasing their carpal tunnel or treating their thumb arthritis, either surgically or non, I can help them experience life more the way they want to better enjoy their hobbies, to better fulfill their obligations to family or work, so that they feel just more complete as a person. It is an extreme privilege to be invited into people's lives when they are feeling perhaps vulnerable, or they're injured, or they're scared, or they hurt. I just feel very, very fortunate that what I love to do, there's a need for it, and to be in a place where I can practice that.